Very good afternoon, sir.
Good
Welcome to our
afternoon.
show. And we would like to discuss about the Steelex today. And first of all, I want your introduction.
Yeah, I am Sanjeev Patwari from Rasmi Group. We have a 10 million ton steel plant, and our last year turnover is 40,000 crore. We have
Very nice.
employed more than 50,000 people. So we have come to here basically for the Maharashtra Investment Summit, and we have announced for 5 million investment in steel plant Gadchiroli. The investment amount is 25,000, and we are thankful the IFA and CM Jharkhand, CM Maharashtra for giving the MU, and we have joined hand today for the investment, and they have given all the commitment and all the cooperation from the government side. It is all done by the IFA seminar. So this is the very good platform where we can get these things.
Sir, being a part of the Steelex 25, like as we have heard that this is kind of Mahakumbh, right?
Yeah.
So what you expected and also you means have seen. So what are you expecting now in 2 days and how it would benefit your company as well?
So it is a very good seminar where I think more than 3,000, 4,000 participants is there. So in one place you can meet everyone in
Yes.
the steel industry, lots of the delegate, lots of the ministerial side, and also CM Maharashtra and who is minister, other delegate of the secretary, all is already is there. So one place you can get everyone to meet and interaction with the all the steel lobbying industrialists, manufacturer, consultant, association, all is there. So it is a good platform where you can get everyone in one place.
Yes, yes. Obviously, we have heard that it is kind of one industry, one destination, and
Yes.
okay. One more thing, sir. Have you encountered any problem so far?
Yeah,
Due,
in steel industry, there is a very good in India environment. Steel growth is 10 to 12%. From the 70 million, 75 to last 5 years, it's gone up to 150 million demand side. Capacity is 200 million ton. Every year, 10 to 12% growth is there. But everything is not a happy side. There is some problem also be there. Basically, the raw material security. The
okay,
raw material is the two raw material is the major. One is coal and one is iron ore. So from the coal part, government, central government, state government, everyone done the tremendous good job. And I think coal has more or less 90% is solved.
all right,
So for the coal part, government has done very good job.
all right,
And I think that in India they are going to touch more than 1 billion coal production, which is self-sufficient, and everyone is happy with the government action.
okay,
But other hand, I don't know, we are not happy with the government policy and action because if you see that last 4 or 5 years, whatever the government done the auction for the iron ore mines, if out of 100 mines, more than 60, 70 mines is not coming out the production, whereas 70% coal mines come out the production. So there is some policy mistake in compared to iron ore to coal, which is government recently realized, and all the big all four minister, commerce, steel, power, environment, and industry sit together with the secretary, make a high power committee, and that committee is go ahead with the new auction policy.
okay,
So the committee already recommended that auction of the premium policy where auction mines has gone 150% and nobody want to run that mines, or because huge loss some mines they are surrendering. Now the government is making new policy where they are going for capping of the iron ore auction
okay,
premium on 50%, and balance they will be the upfront non-adjustable, non-refundable.
okay.
And this auction policy if implement, I think that it is the big game changer for steel industry, iron ore industry, and it will be the same thing like a coal industry where government has hugely successful.
So, do you expect means
Yeah,
in
we
some
are very
time?
much positive about the government last 1 month action. where Piyush Goyal and with other three ministers lead this action. After the tariff of the US, they have very much serious about the steel export, steel manufacturing, steel support to the Indian industry. And for that, they are also very much sure that if the iron ore issue is not solved, India will not be export 50 million ton.
Okay.
I am firm belief that iron ore should not be export any ton of any form of iron ore, like iron ore fines, anything cannot be, should not be export. It should be value added, and it can export only finished steel.
All right.
India can be export more than 100 million ton steel export if the iron ore problem solved. Right now, iron ore is pricing is 5,000, which is last 10 years highest, where steel price is last 10 years lowest.
Okay.
So steel government, all minister or industry lobby or secretary has realized the problem. If we want to grow the steel industry, we have to be iron ore at reasonable price to everyone.
All right.
And government policy, I think, will be published within 15 days or 1 month, and they will come out one export policy where they will put the export duty. One, they will come out the iron ore auction of mines, where they will change the policy of old policy to new policy, where the fixed premium of iron ore auction. And they are also going for the checking of the all the government mines like OMC, NMDC, SAIL, who are not performing their up to level. They have a EC more than 60 million, 70 million, but they are not achieving 80%, 90% of the EC. Even they have a more than 50 square kilometer iron ore mines, and they are not producing sufficiently.
All right. All right.
So everything government is reviewing, and government they make a high power committee where everybody is the member: steel, power, mines ministry, the environment ministry, the association body, and the big steel plant also. So pallet association also there. So all together with the ministry, with the secretary, and even the state secretary also the committee partner.
All
So
right.
all together, I think already policy has made it, and if it is approved, then India will be the next 300 million steel and 50
Sir,
million.
it seems very happy thing that you are having very optimistic approach.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Right. So there is one formula, there is one new concept of green steel, means like the profitable sustainability.
Yeah.
So
I
what-
think next course of India will be the green steel. If India want to export, he has to be green steel. Otherwise, no developed country will take the steel.
Right.
For the green steel, majorly its contribution is from the energy side, that solar power and scrap-based steel manufacturing. So India will definitely can be make it if the power can available at solar route everywhere. Now every but a power we are using as a thermal, that will be changed in course of future, and green steel easily can make in course of future and reasonable price. I think India can export green steel.
it was very valuable with talking to you, and we are very hopeful that India would definitely lead
Yeah.
and solve all the barriers, and would means like increase the pace of growth. Right. Thank you so much, sir,
Thank you.
having here.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Last one thing, that if India want to be 500 million steel manufacturing and 50 million steel export, India has to be resolved the iron ore issue by way of given like mineral trading of all state government to the iron ore allotment, like Maharashtra mineral trading also asking for 4-5 coal iron ore block. If all state government can get the iron ore mines, and that mines can be produced, one mineral trading can produce 100 million ton, and India can be produce 500 million ton iron ore, then can only achieve 300 million tons.
All right. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.